Collision fibro kajing petip ladadon na pedang jong pi di bompat yo jing tip sepangkan eka selection trial ban yo rung hapo ka sile kemut ba ban yo sa hang tu nam ta ki sport event ki fero fer tekan don ka selection trial nam ta kani ki jong ki sports kategori mo tiradon ki bompat yo kane kelap penmit na do pratrik jong September arjar fly tiradon na pedang yo pi bompat tip yo jing tip na kani kajing petip Tikidon kitral nam tagane mo the series of selection trial for induction of talented sports person in the discipline of archery, athletic and boxing, judo, karate and football will be conducted for induction to the SAI STC. Man yo sa hapo sai kan ai training hapo sai kan pak skor hapo sai baro nam tagane kena ki bala syak select la yo mo. Shillong under its residential and non-residential scheme kadon katakan residential and non-residential scheme. Date, venues and age group given as below. Tekil I hapo eka date. Tenam ta ka discipline ka bere jong ka archery for boys and girl nam ta ikan te bercendrang ka scheme ka dem tai under SAI residential and non-residential scheme. Ka jaka ka debi hapo SAI Authority Sport Authority of India Nihu Campus Shillong ban select tu. Ka tarik nam ta ka archery kan mau pha kan dei khat phra bat khat khandai tarik September 2023 reporting time 8 am phra baje step ka reporting time. Khat phra bat khat khandai September kan mau ki wa day hak archery ka selection trial kan day khat phra bat khat khandai September ka snem kalong khat ar snem hadu khat phra snem amdei ban tam ya khat phra snem kan mau archery athletic pada kaner under SAI residential mun ba ki de sa bi pok SAI ka jaka ka de bi pok SAI Sport Authority of India the selection trial kan day 14 and 15 September reporting time 8 am pra bajim step hi kaneru athletic neru ka day khat arsnem hadu khat prasnem bala ban lej ha kaneka selection trial malai kan day karate for both boys and girl kaneru ka juhi under SAI residential kane kan day khat pra ba ka khandai September kaneru hapo SAI baro kan day hapo SAI pra baje kan day ka reporting time kaneru ka juhi khat ar hadu khat prasnem kumde ban tam kata Boxing for both boys and girl kumjuhi kaneru khat phra khandai September hi. Judo for both boys and girl kaneru kajuhi khat phra khandai September hi. Reporting time don judo. But nakamta ka football pada kadai tang nakamta shinrang on the SAI residential and non-residential scheme. Kane pada kandai 20 to 23 September reporting time 8 am. Phra bajim step hi tekadon Tylli ki kategori kawai kadai namta 10 years to 14 years but kawai kadai 15 years to 18 years Tylli ki kategori gisnem ban shim namta kaneka football tela don napeng pi bom pari tip bat ko ban lej te ka por kanang biang namta kini wiki sports te namta ka athletic pada kan dei no khat saw bat khat san te phnang la ban yo ban lej la da ko ban lej ra lang ki document jong pi ki certificate la da phila shimanta kino ki event pi job phila ayu katan le kan long plus point bahan ta jumpi to selection of the talent shall be done on the basis of sports performance can base with sports performance jumpi and potential based on merit and performance with the selection based on achievement at various level mun bakajing achieve jumpi ha various level ada ka district tournament na ki week tournament fil a job kena kita fabra ek certificate ban pini bat pinjo taruh kadan merit kita taruh level of recognized competition kita recognize kan international national and state and district level ada job bagi district level kem inter school kita bro taruh kan rap high p pila ban ra ek certificate and through the battery of tests as per their age and skill test marba kitur kin sa test hi tikisa check lang na kita gi merit jumpi ba pila job hakiwe ki jing le kai ba hakatu hi kasni bagi select ap as per their age and skill test including their aptitude and attitude toward the concerned sports discipline. Isa test fi kedua sendiri. Dan isa kailang gan itu kita permi pada kalis kiban yo. The candidate are to appear along with their 2 recent passport size are Tylli door mau passport size pada bandara and Aadhaar card have download Aadhaar card along with attested copies. Ra ke original rengkat bat ke attested copies of date of birth certificate issued by the concerned authority. Kalau date of birth di bandara mar bagi di age category kan mau Aadhaar ru hang negatho and Aadhaar card along with attested copies of date of birth certificate issued by the concerned authority health college state boards concern and sports achievement certificate di sports achievement jo phi la da pijak ka district ne ka states ne national ne international phabra lo di kitaba ro ka phio Eligibility for appearing in the selection test in case of individual sports katungan dap ong ba kadai khatar du prasnem. Team game kadai ve shipo wat khatu khatsau bat khatsan du khatpra nam ta football. Relaxation on lower and higher achievement the requirement of achievement level will be given into to those talent having better future prospect as per expert observation. Ikla bandon ni kata relaxation on lower and higher kat kum ka gajing page jungki baki badon ni talent for future as prospects and as per expert observation kat kum gajing page jungki kita ki experts mta. For individual event, at least first 3 position holder of district championship, inter-education district level competition championship held by the Confederation of Public Schools CBSE Kendrivilia. Okay, gitu kawai. For team events, participants at least have participated at least in the recognized state level competition organized by the State Sports Association, State Sports Council, School Game National, State Sports Department. Okay, medical fitness. Okay, number 7. Candidate should produce medical fitness certificate from the recognized medical practitioner at the time of selection trial. Any eventually occurs during a selection trial, Sport Authority of India should not be responsible. Teki orang ne bagi dan kamro ya kata medical fitness certificate. Kapor bapi selection pihwan ra ya kata medical fitness certificate tapi pihwan apply shwa ya kata pilaban lagi kini di hospital am di government ni private. Pak check ban yo ekdaka medical certificate for pinlate. The admission will be confirmed after proper age verification and medical examination. Tenda pula ada kita update lapan mi kilis pada kita don biang kata proper examination, kita don biang medical examination ban verify kisnem. Tela dah kibiang kita baru bisa yo ban syak select. Te kan mau ha kita kuat ban shimental nai kuat ban lek kena selection trial. Yang don hapoh kasnem ko long khatar hadu khat prasnem sekan mau kita tarik jong ki disiplin baper tanggi ni gijim tip college bon.